Hi there. So another quick demo of a very powerful automation with AI. So one of the most powerful things how to reach your prospects and when they are more likely to buy is when they are looking, right? To buy your stuff. But how do we do that? So I built an automation for me that does that, and I think it's pretty interesting. So quickly, let's jump on it. So this is the entire automation. I'll run module by module just to understand and to explain what's happening here. So we have this running once a day. Okay. The first module, what it does, Epify is a scraping platform, meaning it scrapes it can scrape the internet basically, but on different platforms. So this one, for example, scrapes LinkedIn posts. Okay, so it looks for posts and scrapes the posts. So for example, here I asked for it to give me 5 posts with the saying hiring SDR. Why? Because in my mind, also this you need to be a little bit tricky to think about it. But in my mind, when someone is hiring SDR these days, probably they might be working like before, because if you are hiring SDR, it means that you are not using AI probably and automation, which is a great segue for me to reach out. So basically, I'm looking for people who are are hiring SDR, growing, and it makes sense for me to reach them. Now, this next module is just getting the data out. After that, we put it in our data place, which is this Google Sheet. This is already how it looks like, yeah? Now, after that, I need to, from that person who posted, I want to get information about that specific person. So we have another scraper that scrapes the person profile to get the company, to understand what company is from, and then that another scraping that scrapes the company of that person. So we get some information and we get more information about the company and about the person. Each one of those, yeah, gets the data back. Now here we use Hunter. Hunter is a great platform that we can, by inserting the company name, first name and last name, and the person basically, we would get an email, right? So here is the input we're having, and the output is we get the email, which is awesome because now we can reach out. Now all of that goes back to the main data, the Google Sheet. After that, I want before, so the end goal is to send a message to the person, right? So after that, I add this module. This module scrapes the website of where the person works, where the prospect works. So I asked it, please write a description of what the company does from your understanding going through the website. So it basically crawls through the website and gets the understanding. So if we're looking at leadroad.io, the output is Leadroad is a B2B lead generation company that helps businesses get a steady flow of qualified leads through multi-channel outreach. They offer service like appointment setting, growth consultancy, help clients focus on selling more and making more business. Fantastic for me because they probably do it like they did before. Great. So all of this information is stored here. Okay. So now we have like the first name, last name, the LinkedIn of the person, the LinkedIn post specifically, so we can just have a look like what's happening. Um, Around that, we can see the date that it's not too long. I said like 1 month, I think. And then what is happening, the last part, which is the nicest one, is I run my agent. So my agent is here. It knows exactly yeah, this is the name is wrong, but it knows exactly what we are doing. and the goal. Okay, it's connected to MCP, which is, I won't get into it now, but basically it's an agent. So if it wants to get more information, it has the tools to reach out to other tools and get more information. And here I gave it some instructions of what to do, and furthermore than its normal instructions. This is its input, so the post, the what the company does, the content, and so on. And from here, basically, it goes directly to my draft folder in email. Now, this runs every day, so I want to know, right? Because, like, I still don't want it to be sent automatically. So I want to know. So I also have a Slack message being sent to me when this happens. So I can, the Slack message includes here, you can see it includes, it says like a new LinkedIn SDR post detected, and it sends me the LinkedIn link of the person and tells me to approve and send the drafted email. I think that's pretty solid, and that's a pretty good way to get some intent based leads. So thanks a lot, and see you next time.